Hi, I'm Karen Stone. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I'm thrilled to be here in Grand Rapids with AQS, teaching at the show. And I am just such a happy quilter, and what I'm enjoying right now very much is doing some machine applique with turned edges. So, in a nutshell, I love using templates that are made of poster board and cutting those out with a poster, like a box cutter, and then I glue based with glue. But I prepare my patches by using spray starch around this edge. So my biggest problem was transferring my paper pattern into that poster board template. So I used to just layer this up, tape it to my board, and cut through it with my knife, and I would lose the paper copy and then have it underneath, and it worked out great. But I was probably the last person in the world to know that at the photocopy shop where I frequent, they will print stuff onto premium cardstock. So this is a wonderfully adequate material for making templates out of. And so I can just take my original paper copy and have them print this out because I can't do it on my computer at home. And that is my tip. Enjoy.